start with an induction. And the idea is very simple. It's like many times I've seen over the last 27 plus years that I've been doing trainings, that at the end of a training, people are really excited. They have some emotional experiences. And then for a few days that bubble lasts and then, it settles. And many people who take trainings, whether they're taking live sessions, whether they're taking online sessions, they don't really implement what they have learned. So, I thought maybe what if we can help them and do something to activate a training program. So what we will be doing in this induction is simply help you activate any training that you have ever taken in your life. So every time you listen to this, I want you to pick one program that you have attended, any one session that you have attended, any one training program that you have attended. And so activate those things from that. Now, I understand within one program, there may be things that are not relevant to you. Your unconscious mind is smart enough to not use those things which are not relevant to, perhaps not relevant at this stage in your life, at this point, and they may become handy and useful at some stage. Just like when you went to school, you learned a lot of things, but not everything was applicable at the time when you were learning it. And not everything is applicable all the time either. But you learn, things which are applicable from time to time in your life. So while you're listening to this hypnotic induction, you will be activating, a training program you choose, and activating those portions of that program and integrating them in your behavior in a way that you can use them naturally and easily. Now, that does not mean, by the way, that you don't have to do anything. You still have to, do your part, practice the things, practice the skills you're learning. This will make those things easier. It will make it faster, and it will make those things more deeply ingrained in you. So it will come more naturally to you. So with that in mind, let's begin.